Today is Monday, May the 6th, and it is 9:07 in the morning, so the market opens in about 25 minutes. And we see that the S&P is ready for a drop of about 45 points. That would bring us down to right here, this green line, a little over 2,900 if it stays at that point. That is a previous low that occurred on Friday. If we break that, we have some more room to drop. So let's see what happens initially. I expect the market will not recover right away. There will be a lot of sell orders that are being put in. Let's see what happens after 10 o'clock. Going to Apple. Apple's set to drop to this level about 205.50 as of right now. We have a gap. This red candle here shows you the activity in the pre-market. And you can see that we're at the bottom of the range. If we open at the current point, we'll open just above the 68.1% retrace, and we will not have filled the gap. So look today for an opportunity for Apple to close that gap. The sellers will try to force people down where they will have their buy orders in at 203.21, believe it or not. I am still short 6 of the weekly 205 puts. I closed 5 last week at about break even. I tweeted that, and I closed my stock just before the earnings, unfortunately. But then again, looking back, maybe not so unfortunately, right? Caterpillar will open at cloud support. This is cloud support right here, 134.19. We're currently trading at about 134.60 in the pre-market. So look for a possible test of 134.27. So cloud support is important to Caterpillar. You can put a buy signal in to buy at that price and a stop order at 132.89 if you don't want to lose too much money and get out. But Caterpillar has always been affected by news about the China tariff negotiations. Whirlpool, we've been looking at Whirlpool at an opportunity to get in once it broke this trend line. It almost did last week, but we're now set to open way down 136.65. This is why we don't get into a stock until we see the bulls buying and beating trend lines and beating Chiku resistances and Fibonacci lines. A day like today is a perfect example. One more, and I want to show you is WDC. This is a candle showing you the pre-market, and we had support exactly on the cloud. I think WDC is an opportunity to buy more at 48.73, a little bit more if you want, not too much. And we've already closed this gap, so we can take that out. We'll take it out later. So that's a quick summary before the market. I didn't want to talk too much. But the cloud is very important today for almost all of the stocks that we took a look at.